Hello friends, welcome to this CNC class. Today I would like to explain you about the codes of our CNC machines. So already we know about the codes. Here this is the CNC program. This program consists of G codes, M codes and other words also. See, we know that function of this G words or G codes, that is used to move the cutting tool in the required direction for doing a particular operations. And also in addition to the cutting tool movement, we have to rotate the workpiece, and we have to change the workpiece in the required direction, and also we have to move the spindle forward and backward. Other than this cutting tool movement, for movement of for rotation of this workpiece or movement of the for moving the tie stock wheel forward and backward, and for indexing we have the other codes. Those codes are called as M codes. So today I would like to explain you about M codes, that is M0, M06 and M07, M08 and M09. See, M06 is for changing the tool. For indexing the tool, required tool, we have to write the program by M06 and T followed by some number. Okay. And for switch on the coolant system, we have to give the M07 in some machines, and M08 is also for switch on the coolant motor in some other machines. In M09 is for coolant off. For switch off the coolant motor, we have to write the program like M09. So let me explain one by one. So here we have the programs. See, this is for M06, that is for changing the tool. See friends, in CNC turning center, or it may be the milling or VMC, HMC, whatever it is, particularly for CNC turning, we have 8 tools. 8 stations are there. We can fix the tool at any station. We will call that tool for operation by writing the M06. As soon as the controller reads the M06 here, see here I have a program here. See, when the controller reads this, definitely it will move the cutting tool its home position. So as soon as it reads the M06 and T0606, the tool will index to, or the 6 number tool will come to in position for doing a particular operation. That means this M06 is for giving the instructions. The controller will index the required tool, that is 6 number tool, and then the workpiece will start to rotate in the clockwise at the RPM of 1000, and it will move rapidly up to the workpiece. For example, if the dia of this workpiece is 40, the cutting tool will move rapidly up to the face of the workpiece, and then it will, as soon as the controller reads this block, that is M08, the controller will send the signals to switch on the coolant system. See, in CNC machines, we have the coolant system. Dedicated coolant system is there for flushing the supplying the coolant while doing the machining operation. When the controller reads M08, the signals will, or the controller will switch on this coolant system. See here we have the coolant system. Here tray is there, and this tray will be filled by the coolant soluble oil, and when it receives the signals from the controller, the motor will start to activate. As soon as it activates, the coolant will discharge from the nozzles of every cutting tool. See here in the turret there are 2 nozzles are there. When M08 is read by the controller, the coolant will automatically will discharge at these points. Okay, for switch on the coolant system, we will enter the M08 in the program. Okay, after this, the cutting tool will do the plane turning operation. See, when the controller reads this, the cutting tool will come to this point, and here the coolant system will switch on, After that, the cutting tool will start to do the plane turning operation up to 20 length. Okay, so from here to here it will be 20 and then after plane turning operation, so here the cutting tool will move from here to here. When the controller reaches this block M09, it will send the signal to the coolant system to switch off the motor or switch off the coolant pump. So when it reads M09, automatically the coolant discharge will stop. Okay, that is M09 is for switch off the coolant system and this is for program end and rewind. Okay, so up to here we learn about M06, M08 and M09. In addition to that, we have M07 also. In some systems, M07 is there instead of M08. See here, we know about M06, that is for tool changing. And then we have M07, M08 and M09 also. See, for our CNC turning center, for switch on the coolant system, we have to give the M08 command. When I switch on the coolant system, by inputting this M08, I have to switch off the coolant system by M09 only. Okay, so this is in some systems, M08 is for on the coolant system, M09 is for off the coolant system. In some machines what happens, in some machines we have to give the command by M09 for switch on the coolant system and M08 is for switch off the coolant. When we switch on the system by M07, for switching off M08 is there. If you switch on the coolant system by M08, we have to switch off the same system by M09. Okay, so is it clear? M09 is also for switch on the coolant system in some cases. See, these M codes are integrated or it will be action or activity of particular M code will be decided by the machine tool manufacturer. In some machines what happens, M07 is for switch on the coolant system. Therefore, switch off the coolant system, M08 we have to give. But in some cases, M08 is given, but in our turning center also, M08 for switch on the coolant system and M09 is for switch off the coolant system. So these are all about M codes of M06, M07 and M08 and M09. Thank you very much.